I will try to make a vibrant picture out of this image which was shot on phone with Lightroom free app and Snapseed. So I will start with the Lightroom app. Here I will try to use only the free features. So I will go to the light menu and do some standard tuning. I will increase the shadows a bit here to get some details back from the dark areas. Also a little decrease in the highlights a bit. Little contrast. And I'll decrease the blacks a bit, make the darker areas more dark. So next I'll go to the color menu and play with the colors by going to the mix, that is the HSL sliders. So first I'll go to the blue. Here I'll decrease the hues, that is move the hues of the blues more towards cyans. Increase the saturation a bit and I'll play with the luminance. I'll decrease it a little. Now I'll play with the colors on the trees. You can see the colors there. There are both greens and yellows. So I'll try to make them more contrasty. I'll move the green hues more towards cyans. I'll also increase the saturation a bit. And yellows towards orange. And increase the saturation. Also a little bit of luminance, adding some brightness to the yellows, which are now more in the orange territory. So oranges, I'll try to increase the saturation maybe a little. So you can already see the difference in the colors. I'll also increase the vibrance, make the image more vibrant. So you can already see the difference here. This is the before and after in Lightroom. Next, for some selective edits, I will move to Snapseed. I will save this and import the image to Snapseed. So here I have imported the saved image to Snapseed. First I will try to remove the litter on the ground. To do that, I will go to the healing tool and just paint it over the litter. Just brush it over it. And you can see the difference already. So after cleaning up the ground, I will next apply the vintage filter to make the image darker. So I'll go to vintage filter with the default settings and with the preset 12. I'll apply it. Next I'll go to masking, that is tap the stacks icon, view edits, vintage and brush tool, and I'll try to remove the effect on some parts to make the image pop a little, especially the greens. So with the brush value at 0, I will just remove the effect on certain parts, on the cabin a little, and also here, also the sky. Here you can see where I have removed the vintage effect. So I will apply it. Next I will go to selective filter and make the greens further pop. increasing the brightness, also a little bit of saturation. Here I'll also try to make the oranges on the trees pop. I will increase the saturation of these oranges. Also some brightness on the cabin. Or I'll remove this and apply this, and I will increase the brightness of the cabin by going to the brush tool, and with the dodge and the brush value at 5, I will do some dodging by brushing here to make it a little brighter. Also brush it on the ground somewhere here, on the trees. So here is the difference I have made after dodging. And apply this. Next I will apply some contrast. Play with the curves, maybe a little contrast. I will apply this only on the bottom part of the image. So first I will tune the contrast a bit, and then I will go to the masking of the latest curves filter, and with the brush value at 100 I will apply it only at the bottom part. And apply this. So this is what the difference I have made in the Snapseed app. Thanks for watching.